From the mighty Brahmaputra to vast tea gardens, Assam spans 35 vibrant districts, starting from Hailakandi, known for its vast tea plantations, expansive paddy fields, and the Barak River flowing through the region. Shribhumi, known for Sonbil, a seasonal vast wetland, and its border along the Kushiara River with Bangladesh. Kachar, home to the Barel Wildlife Sanctuary, the Barak River, the Bhuban Hill Temple, Dima Hasao, featuring Mount Tumjang, the highest peak in Assam, the Haflong Hills, and Judima, a GI-tagged traditional rice wine. Bhoje, Assam's perfume hub, powered by agarwood oil. Karbi Anglong, home to Singhasan Peak and GI-tagged ginger. Golaghat, home to Kaziranga National Park, famous for the one-horned rhinoceros and the Dhansiri River. Jorhat, birthplace of Dainik Batori, Assam's first daily newspaper. Shivasagar houses Karenghar, the Ahom Royal Palace, and Shivadol, one of the tallest Shiva temples. Charaideo, home to the Charaideo Madam, ancient Ahom royal burial mounds. Dibrugarh, the tea city of India, home to the Bogibeel Bridge, India's longest rail-cum-road bridge located along the Brahmaputra River. Tinsukia, a major industrial hub driven by tea, oil, coal, and timber. Dhemaji, known for missing culture's Ali-Ai Ligang festival. Lakhimpur, where the Subansiri River meets the Brahmaputra River. Majuli, the world's largest inhabited riverine island floating on the Brahmaputra. Biswanath, famous for Biswanath Ghat, often called Gupta Kashi. Shonitpur, home to Tezpur, known for its scenic beauty and ancient temple ruins. Nagaon, known as the rice bowl of Assam. West Karbi Anglong, known for eco-tourism sites, megalithic traditions, and the local rice beer, Hor. Morigaon, home to Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, the Ai River, and Asia's largest dry fish market. Kamrup Metropolitan, known for Guwahati, Ma Kamakhya Temple, and the world's smallest inhabited riverine island, Umananda Island. Tarang, gateway to Orang National Park. Udalguri, home to the Dhansiri Irrigation Project and Bhairab Kunda, a popular nature spot. Tamulpur, Bogamati, a scenic top tourist spot on the Bornadi river banks. Paksa, home to the iconic Manas National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Barpeta, home to Barpeta Satra, the prominent monastery founded by Madhabdev in 1583 AD. Bajali, the educational hub of Assam and home to Asia's second oldest banyan tree. Nalbadi, home to the ancient Bilbeshwar temple with origins in 252 AD and rebuilt in 1521 AD. Kamrup, Suwalkuchi, the world-renowned center for Assamese Muga silk. Golpara, known for Sri Surya Pahar, a confluence of Jainism, Buddhism and Hinduism. Bongaigaon, a key center for petrochemical industries and transport hub. Chirang, known for Bodo culture and festivals, and Manas National Park. Kokrajhar, the administrative capital of the Bodoland territorial region. Dhubri, known for Gurudwara Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, Dhubri Fort, and the Brahmaputra River. South Salmara Mankachar, scenic Brahmaputra River cruises, and Mir Jumla Mazar. Together, these 35 districts paint the vibrant canvas of Assam. Comment your thoughts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.